Next, we move on to specification number 6, which asks us to understand that the growth of the human population is increasing the demand for global resources. As the world's population continues to grow, the demand for natural resources also increases because more people need food, clean water, energy, housing, transportation, and other necessities for everyday life. As a result, humans consume much larger amounts of food, fresh water, fuel, construction materials, and metals used in industries and modern technology. To meet these increasing demands, more land is cleared for farming, housing developments, roads, factories, and other infrastructure. This widespread clearing of natural habitats destroys ecosystems, reduces biodiversity, and threatens the survival of many plant and animal species. The increasing use of natural resources also causes significant environmental damage. Large-scale deforestation, air and water pollution, soil degradation, and the depletion of non-renewable resources are all consequences of excessive resource use. Since many natural resources are being consumed much faster than they can be naturally replaced, there is growing concern about their long-term availability. This is why recycling has become increasingly important. Recycling helps reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills, conserves valuable natural resources, lowers pollution, and reduces the pressure to extract new raw materials from the environment. It also helps protect ecosystems and supports the sustainable use of Earth's resources. As you can see in the diagram, an increasing human population drives a greater demand for essential resources. The demand rises for food, water, fuel, construction materials, and metals. To produce more food, agricultural land expands, while increasing water consumption lowers water table levels. Greater use of fossil fuels results in higher carbon emissions, and the extraction of sand, aggregates, and metals increases to meet the needs of construction and industry. The diagram also shows the environmental consequences of these growing demands. Habitat destruction caused by deforestation leads to the loss of biodiversity, while industrial activities contribute to air pollution, water pollution, and climate change. Finally, the diagram highlights the importance of recycling and resource recovery. By recycling materials and reducing waste, we can conserve natural resources, reduce environmental damage, and move towards a more sustainable and circular use of Earth's resources. So, this brings us to the end of Unit 19.3, Ecosystems and Biodiversity. We have covered all the required syllabus specifications in detail and explored the key concepts needed for a strong understanding of this unit. Don't forget that the topical notes are available in both the description and the pinned comment for your revision and further study. Stay tuned for the next unit, where we will continue our journey through Chapter 19 and cover the remaining syllabus content step by step. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.